In this tutorial, I'm going to show you 8 creative ways you can build your email list and grow your business. Every year, your email marketing database degrades by 22.5%. Your job as a business is to make sure that you continue to add new contacts to your email marketing campaign. Here are 8 creative ways that you can build your email list and continue to grow your business. Create remarkable content. The content you put in your emails needs to be amazing if you want to keep people subscribed and keep them forwarding your content to their network. If you create entertaining enough material, they'll always look forward to getting your emails. Encourage subscribers to share. Always include social sharing buttons in your email so that you can gain access to your subscribers' friends and network to expand your list. At the bottom of your emails, make sure to include a subscribe call to action. Segment by buyer persona. Recipients of your email are more likely to click through when the information caters to their specific interests. By creating multiple targeted types of subscriptions, you'll increase the likeliness that a visitor will subscribe to one of them. Add a link to your signature. Having a hyperlinked email signature can lead customers to a landing page where they can opt in to your mailing list. If you are already having a natural email conversation with them, this can lead them to subscribing to more of your lists. Create a free resource or online tool. Providing free online tools will make your users' lives easier, and all they have to do to get the free tool is to sign up with their email address. Promote an online contest. Use your social media networks to host an online contest in exchange for contact information. Encourage entrants to click through to your website to sign up with their email address. Create a subscriber blog. Blog posts can help you increase your search engine ranking, as well as allowing you to collect blog subscribers that you can upgrade later to more actionable email campaigns. Add a call to action button to the top of your Facebook business page. The value of this technique is in the destination. Link the call to action button on your Facebook business page to a landing page that requires the input of an email address to gain access to a unique resource. These are just some of the creative ways you can build your email list. As you grow your email list, you'll be able to nurture these prospective customers with offers that allow you to convert them to paying customers early on in the sales process, and eventually grow your business. Effective hacks for quickly validating your business idea. In this presentation, I'm going to share with you some useful hacks for quickly validating your business idea. Before you invest your time and hard-earned money in a business idea, you need to verify your plan to make sure that it will be successful. You need to do the research necessary to find out if your target audience needs what you're selling. Here are some quick ways that you can validate if your business idea will work. Use smoke tests. An easy way for you to gauge interest in your idea is to run a few necessary tests first. You can do this by placing various ads highlighting your service on social media to see if anyone would be interested. For example, if you want to start a business around hiring pet sitters online, first you can place an ad on Facebook and see if anyone contacts you. This is a relatively cheap and effective way to gain feedback on your business idea. Assess yourself. Rather than focusing on building products that you think are innovative or cool, ask yourself if the product is something that you would use. The easiest way to test the market and validate your business idea is by surveying yourself. Find an industry advisor or mentor. There will always be people who have the expertise and experience that you lack. Take a step and introduce yourself to these people and start to make connections with industry leaders. This will allow you to form valuable relationships in the industry to help you determine where the needs are and how you can successfully address them. Conduct surveys. You can use sites like SurveyMonkey to help you gather feedback on your ideas from your target audience. You can create one quickly and share it on your social media networks, as well as sending it out to professionals, former coworkers, friends, and family through an email blast. This is another good way to gauge interests, needs, and gaps in specific industries. If you want to start a successful business, then you must take steps to validate that it is a viable idea. These 4 easy ways to verify an idea can quickly tell you whether or not your plan is feasible. Don't waste your time and money on a business idea that won't be able to get off the ground. In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can use influencer marketing to grow your business. The strategy of leveraging someone else's database, celebrity, or reach to grow your business isn't a new concept. However, with social media, the game has changed. Influencer marketing has become a game changer in the world of business. Here are some ways that you can utilize this new way of reaching a broader audience to grow your business. Create an influencer marketing goal. While the goal of influencer marketing is pretty apparent, getting your business in front of more people, you need to have a clear idea of how you want it to convert to results for your business. Are you looking to create greater brand awareness? Do you hope to increase your lead generation? Your desired results will dictate how you proceed in establishing a relationship with each influencer. Know your target audience. This step is essential for any form of marketing you do. You need to know exactly who you are solving a problem for or serving a need for, and where you can find these people. There are individual companies that will do better by focusing their social media campaign on Facebook or Instagram, because this is where their target audience is found. Who you are serving and where you can find them will determine which influencers you'll utilize. Identify relevant influencers. The best influence marketers are those who are already in front of your target audience. If you produce toys and games, then you want to target individuals who have audiences that listen to their opinions and reviews. The key is finding influencers who have sway over their audience, whose fan base listen to and take action based on their recommendations. Start seeking out influencers by utilizing alerts and notifications to find people who are talking about the topics that are aligned with your business. Determine your strategy. Influencer marketing is about creating advocates for your business. This makes it essential to establish a mutually beneficial relationship with the influencers. You need to determine how you can strengthen the status of someone who is promoting your company. Can you provide them with relevant and reliable information that can't be found elsewhere? Can you create a joint product to bring something to the table that the influencer doesn't already have? Finding something that will make this a mutually beneficial arrangement will be a good investment for your business. A viable way to grow your business is by leveraging the databases and audiences of online influencers. Use these simple tips to create a clear strategy to build a win-win relationship with an influencer and watch your audience grow. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you the most important KPIs to know to grow your business. Building your business should be the primary object of every stakeholder, manager, and employee in your business. It is imperative that you continually measure your progress against the goals that you've set if you want to grow a successful business. If you're going to achieve the desired outcome, then you need to accurately measure the areas of your business that are relevant to what you are striving to achieve. Here are the essential KPIs that you need to know if you want to grow your business. Net profit. Your business profits are the portion of revenue that is left after all your expenses have been paid. Your profit is the primary reason for starting a business in the first place. The profitability of your organization is a critical KPI that you should frequently be measuring. Expenses. A huge factor in determining your profitability is your expenses. Active business owners will measure their expense categories very carefully because controlling your business expenses always has a substantial impact on the growth potential of your organization as well as its profitability. Revenues and revenue growth rate. There are a lot of revenue subcategories, and in many organizations, they are merely referred to as sales. However, a critical subcategory that business owners often overlook is the revenue growth rate, which calculates the revenue growth over a certain period. The revenue growth rate is a much broader indicator of how your business is growing. Accounts receivables. If you offer credit terms to your customers, you need to make sure to keep all receivables current to minimize your risk. You can't allow your organization to become a bank for customers who are always slow with paying their invoices. You need to keep an eye on this KPI and make sure your customer accounts are kept current. Profit per customer. A competent business owner knows how much profit each customer is generating for the business. Knowing your profit per customer KPI, especially for your most important and more significant customers, is vital. Market share. Knowing exactly where your business ranks in the broader marketplace can be a challenge to quantify accurately. However, this information is essential for you to stay competitive. You can use this information to help you compare and benchmark your overall performance against the data that is publicly available. Every business is different and will measure different KPIs that are vital to their growth. Keeping close track of the most relevant KPIs for your business can help you grow your business and increase profitability. Top 5 reasons why you should utilize Facebook ads for your business. It can be a daunting task to determine when, where, and how you should advertise your business. With Google Ads providing effective and profitable search ad campaigns, many companies ignore the value of other advertising channels, including Facebook, which means you are missing out on a massive opportunity for your business. Here are 5 reasons why you need to start advertising on Facebook. Spend around $1 a day and get results. The minimum spend required by Facebook is $1. However, even with this tiny budget, you can reach upwards of 1,000 or more people that meet your specific criteria. Facebook has multiple bid types available that make it possible for you to choose the most appropriate structure for your particular campaign objectives. With so many different options and budgets, you can choose the right campaign for your business. Facebook has great targeting options. Unlike Google Ads, ads on Facebook are targeted to the audience's demographics and interests, not what they're searching for. The refinement available to your business when you set up your target audience requirements is extremely impressive. With so many targeting options available, you can ensure that your money is only spent on the most relevant audience. Facebook has a massive audience. With an estimated 1.28 billion users worldwide and over 800 active daily users, you can guarantee that a good percentage of your target audience will be on Facebook. With Facebook's sophisticated targeting options, you can make sure that your ad campaign is seen by your target audience. Easily track your ROI, performance, and spend. Whatever you spend advertising on Facebook, the most important thing is knowing exactly what you're getting out of the campaign. It can be difficult to measure ROI for the time and resources you invested, but with Facebook advertising, you can clearly see how much you've spent and the results that spend has provided. It is essential that you spend the time to analyze your advertising performance and experiment with different ads to see what works best for your business. Gain an advantage over the competition. Not many businesses are utilizing Facebook ads, even with how powerful the platform is. This means that by advertising on Facebook, you can gain a distinct advantage over your competition and increase your opportunities to win business that you might not otherwise have found. When you can get people's attention and increase awareness about your business, you can effectively grow your business. If you aren't already advertising on Facebook, the reasons above should be enough to get you started.